we're going to engage active parking support in our Macan Electric, and we're going to find the parking spot. As you drive down, you can only park in spots that have a vehicle on both sides of a parking spot. So we're going to select this icon as we drive along and are looking for a parking spot. And it will show up here in the diagram. See, it's popped up. Come to a stop. Select Start to start the active parking support. Release the brakes and the steering wheel, and the car will park itself. In this picture, it actually gives you the kind of border of where it's going to go and also where it's going to stop. Now that we're parked, let's take a look at some of the other settings for parking. Select Parking, and then Show Surroundings View. Now this is really neat. On this view, you can actually see the cars on both sides here. But if we would like a better look kind of along the car, you can select this icon here, and it shows along the way. This is looking forward towards the front of the vehicle. You can select these cameras to look backwards towards the rear of the vehicle. If you would like to see directly out of the front, of course, select that camera, or directly out of the back, you can select this camera as well. Also, while we're on the back camera, you can have two different views. You can have a more linear view or a wide angle view. This is really great when you're pulling out of a parking spot where your visibility is limited. Now, if you'd like to see additional parking settings, you can click on the settings wheel here. You have here at the top maneuvering interventions. And so this is basically going to stop you if there is something behind you, say for instance, an obstacle in your parking spot. It will stop you automatically. You will have a warning, of course, as you get closer to it. You can adjust that warning level here from loud to regular or quiet. Probably best as loud. You also can lower the volume of infotainment when you're parking. You can select it and adjust here. You can also mute and unmute your infotainment while parking in the same location. Just select the icon here. You also can activate the front park view using this right here. And you can also toggle the visual aids to assist you when parking. I'm going to close out of there. Obstacle warning volume. If you are backing up or getting close to something, there's going to be an audible warning in the vehicle. How loud do you want that? Do you want it very loud? Do you want it regular? Or in fact, quiet? You can move on. Activating the front park view automatically. Now this is great when you're pulling into a parking spot, so you can activate that there. Rear cross traffic alert is absolutely fantastic when you don't have really good visibility when you're backing out of a parking spot. It will give you both an audio warning and a visual warning on the vehicle. We also have egress warner here. Now, what is this for? If you are starting to open your door, if someone is coming from behind you, it will show a little warning here in the door and the communication lighting. You have two different choices here. You can visually warn, or you can also have an acoustic warning as well. I suggest to have both. You now can use active parking support to park your new Macan Electric.